Okay. So here we are going to explain how to find maximum number in the array, and afterwards we have to use the same logic to find different sorting algorithm. Okay. So the input to this program is array of n numbers. Output of this program is maximum number in that array. Okay. Now here I consider the input as int a of 6 numbers. Here we take array size as 6. Here 6 numbers are 34, 56, 12, 89, 21, 20. These are the examples. I can take static input in the program, or I can take input from the user dynamically. Okay. Now what is the output? What is the largest number? Largest number is 89. The index of 89 is, the index of 34 is A0, index of 56 is A1, 12 is A2, 3 is A3. So when I run the program, the output should be maximum number, largest number in the array is 34. Okay. And its index is, what is the index of that? 89 is 3. For that, what is the logic? Now I am explaining the logic. Take the first number as max number. First number as max number. Max number is 34. Okay. What is the next step? Now compare the first number with the second number. If second number is larger than the first number, then largest will be the second number. Common sense logic is there. So if next number is A1 is greater than max, then max equal to A1. So here max was 34. Here 56 is greater than 34. Now here max becomes 56. Agree? And next, again, next is compare next number. We are compare 56 with 34. What is the next job? I have to compare 12 with maximum number. 12 with maximum number means I have to compare A2 with maximum number. If A2 greater than max number, then max equal to A2, but A2 is 12, and here 12 is greater than 56. No. That's why max is not changed. Max is still 56. Agree? Again, compare the next number, that is 89, A3 with max number. So here, is 89 larger than max? Yes. Yes. So here, again, max becomes 89. Next, is next number, that is A4 greater than max? No. So your max will be 89. No. So again max will be 89. Is 20 larger than max? No. So your max will be 20. Clear? Eh? So this is simple logic to find maximum number in the array. But here there are only 6 number in the array. So I can write this statement 5 times. What if there are thousands number? Can I write this statement 1000 times? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, up to 8000? No. For that, we have to write the for loop. For I equal to 1, okay, I less than n. What is the size of array? 6. Plus I. Okay, logic is very simple. If next number means a of I is greater than max, then max equal to a of I. That's it. Logic is very simple. So this is the power of programming. Means instead of writing this statement 5 times, I have written one for loop which will execute 5 times, 1 to 5. And every time if max is updated, if this condition is satisfied, then max is updated. Clear? Now what I want to print? I want to print not only the maximum number, but also I want to print the index of that number. For that, define one variable index, int index. Okay, clear? Eh? And here, whenever this condition satisfied, immediately you update the index. Also, index equal to I. That's it. Okay, both conditions should be satisfied. Huh? In this if loop, both conditions should be satisfied. That's it. What will happen now? Here, your index will be 1. Okay, your index will be 1. Here also your index will be 1. Here your index will be, the index here 3. And same index would be there afterwards. For this condition not satisfied. Clear है एवढा program? ह्याच्यात काही doubts आहेत का? Anybody any doubts? Yes or no? I expect no doubt. Okay. Now my next question to you: can you replace the first number in the array with largest number? Can you? Yes or no? Yes. How?
Yes, sir.
How? It's very simple.
Sir, A of max is equals to A of 0.
Simply swap
Right, sir.
your first number with
Max.
That's it. Not max, but to replace this, you have to swap the first number with A of index. Not first. Now see what will happen. थोडं लक्ष द्या, हे थोडं कळत नाही. तुम्ही काय करता, थोडं हे ऍडजस्ट करतो बरं का. ओके ओके, ठीक आहे. हिला वर घेतो आणि okay. What will happen? Tell me. Swap A0 with A index. Now A0 is 34. A index is 3. A3. So what you have to swap? You have to swap 34 with 89. कसं करावं लागेल मग? What is the logic? Everyone know the logic of swap. Okay, int temporary equal to A0. Okay, then A0 equal to A index and A index equal to temp. That's it. म्हणजे काय होईल पहा. टेम्पची व्हॅल्यू काय झाली इथं? टेम्पची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे राजा सांगा मला. टेम्पची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? A0. A0 काय आहे? 34 इज व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टेम्प. नाउ A0 इक्वल टू A इंडेक्स. काय झालं पहा आता. A0 इक्वल टू A इंडेक्स केल्यानंतर व्हॉट यू गेट? युअर 34 रिप्लेस बाय 89. Now A index equal to temp. What is A index? Your A index was 3. म्हणजे A3 equal to temp म्हणजे 34. म्हणजे काय झालं? A3 किती होता? 89. आता किती झाला? 34. म्हणजेच काय होईल? तुमची जी आउटपुट आहे तो असा तयार होईल. I pause the lecture for 30 seconds. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. It's very simple program I explained. क्लियर है? Now in next 2 minutes, I'm going to finish the selection sort. I have just discussed the part of selection sort. Any doubts to anyone? I assume there is no doubts. Let me check the chat box. If you understood, type in go message box. Yes, we understood. Yes. Suryakant, Mohammad, Shivam, Aditi, Divyani. Okay, thank you very much. I hope there are no doubts. Still, you have any doubts, you can ask me after the lecture. Okay. Okay, what is the next step now? Can I repeat the same process for remaining number? म्हणजे काय? नीट लक्ष द्या आता. My input array is this series. Okay. Now when I run the program, I got this output. What is my next question? Can I repeat the same process so that I will get the second largest number in the array? And already the second म्हणजे काय, ह्याच्यामध्ये आपलं परत काय करायचं, परत मॅक्सिमम नंबर इन द अरे करायचा आणि लकीली तोच नंबर आहे, पहिलाच नंबर आहे बाय डिफॉल्ट. अगेन रिपीट द सेम स्टेप फॉर थर्ड लार्जेस्ट. म्हणजे काय होईल सांगा मला, थर्ड लार्जेस्टला काय होईल? थर्ड लार्जेस्ट कोणता ह्याच्यामध्ये आहे 34. रिप्लेस थर्ड लार्जेस्ट बाय फर्स्ट नंबर म्हणजे काय होईल? एनीवन कॅन टेल मी? हे जे आहे हे थर्ड, आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, इथं फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट आला. नाउ वी हॅव टू फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट अमंग दीज नंबर्स. लार्जेस्ट इज 56 and we have to swap the second number is 56. Already it is swapped. Okay. Next step, find the third largest in this series. Largest is 34. Again swap these two numbers. So what you get here? Here you get 34 and here you get 12. Again repeat the same process for this series. Fourth largest is 21. So again, if you repeat the same logic, here you get this series. म्हणजे इथं येईल 21, इथं येईल 12. Again, repeat the same process for this series, remaining series. So here you get this series. So in this way, we are sorting the number by selecting the first largest, second largest, third largest, fourth largest, fifth largest, sixth largest. And this is called as selection sort in programming. Clear? Any doubts to anyone? Now you have to develop the logic for this. काय करावं लागेल यासाठी? इथे एकच फॉर लूप आहे ना, इथे जे आहे इथे एकच फॉर लूप आहे. We have to write one more for loop here for I. And here for j, you have to write this logic for j, and here for I, and you have to think in your mind how can you develop the logic of selection sort. I pause the lecture again for 30 seconds. Any doubts to anyone? Let me know. समझलं? Someone say yes, yeah, we understood what is to be completed now. Samiksha only understood. Thank you, Samiksha. Suryakant, Vaishnavi. Okay, can I expect from you to develop this logic? Can you write the logic? Do not copy the code now from any book. I expect you people to think in your mind, how can you write the program for this selection sort? Trust me, if you could develop this logic at this moment, trust me, your logic building skill would be enhanced exponentially. So please do not open any textbook, do not open any video, audio, any website. I have just given you the clue for this selection sort. Now think in this way, how can you develop this logic? This is called a selection sort, okay? Next is, this is selection sort. Here, this is the example here. Okay, already I have explained, this is the array given. This is geeks4geeks.com. Okay, so here find the minimum element. So here 11, 12, 22, 25. Find from 11. Okay, here the process is repeated. Process is reverse. What we have done, we have find the maximum number, and here they have found the minimum number. That's it. क्लिअर आहे. आपण काय केलेलं आहे इथं आपल्या याच्यामध्ये आपण मॅक्सिमम नंबर पहिला सिलेक्ट केलेला आहे. इफ वी रिव्हर्स द लॉजिक म्हणजे काय करायचं, इथं मॅक्स ऐवजी मीन घ्या, मीन इक्वल 34, आणि इथं ग्रेटर दॅनच्या ऐवजी लेस दॅन करा. यू गेट द मिनिमम नंबर इन द ॲरे. यू गेट द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इन द ॲरे बाय दिस प्रोसेस. क्लिअर आहे. आणि इथे काय करावं लागेल मग, हाऊ टू फाइंड द मिनिमम नंबर इन द ॲरे. Just write this like this. That's it. It takes very right. One more thing is remain here. Max equal to A0. Okay. To find maximum number, previous logic is there. To find minimum number, this is the logic. Take instead of max, take min number. You can take any variable. Clear? Eh? So here just I reverse this. Control Z, Control Z. Okay, Control Y. Clear? Eh? Okay, max equal to A0. Okay, this is the logic for selection sort. Next logic for insertion sort. In insertion sort, we do the sorting. If you are given n number, we sort first one number, then first two numbers, first three numbers, first four numbers, first five numbers, first six numbers, first seven numbers. Here, see the examples. Here, I zoom this website. Okay. Number given are 4, 3, 2, 10, 12, 1, 5, 6. First sort these two numbers. 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then sort first three numbers. 2, 3, 4. Then sort first four numbers. 2, 3, 4, 10. Then first sort first five numbers. 2, 3, 4, 10, 12. Then first sort first six numbers. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 12. Then sort first seven numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12. Then first sort first all the numbers. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12. This is the logic of insertion sort. Now my next question to you, can you write the program to sort in this way? Insertion sort. See, everybody know the bubble sort. In first year you have learned bubble sort. You know how to sort the numbers. My question to you, can you make some changes in the bubble sort which will create this insertion sort? Yes or no? In bubble sort, we are sorting all the numbers simultaneously. Means if I sort all the number, I get the first number. But insertion sort, we are doing sorting. First one number, first two number, first three number, 4, 5, up to n. Clear insertion sort? So my question to you, can you develop the logic on your own for this insertion sort? Yes or no? Type yes if you are confident. I want the reply in text mode. No one is confident. Mohammed, thank you, Mohammed. Mohammed is confident only, I think. No other student is confident. Aniket confident, good. बाकीच्या मुलांना वाटत नाही मी लॉजिक डेव्हलप करू शकतो. Can you use this selection sort logic in insertion sort? Think of it. Samiksha, yes. बाकीच्या मुलांना कळालं नाही का? Should I repeat the insertion sort again? Write down repeat if you want me to repeat. Say repeat. Write down repeat. Sir, repeat करा. रिपीट करायचं आर लिहा, नाहीतर लिहू नका सर. रिपीट नाही करायचं. अगेन आय रिपीट हियर. नीट लक्षात आहे काय केलेलं आहे. You are given the number. You have to sort first two numbers, and sort first three numbers, first four numbers, first five numbers. But I want you people to write the logic on your own. See, the code is given immediately. Code dile pa. Code dilele. I can cover this code immediately, but I don't want. This is C program, okay? C++ program is given, Java program given, Python program given, but I want you people to develop the logic on your own. Understood, Saurabh, Piyush, Suryakant, Bhushan, Samiksha? Yes or no now? The logic? काय करायचं समजलं का? Because you have written, repeat. Bhushan, Suryakant, समजलं का? Piyush, Saurabh? Yes. Suryakant, yes. Thank you, Suryakant, Bhushan, Piyush. Okay. Should I expect you people to complete the logic of this logic of selection sort, insertion sort? Yes or no? Are you confident? Do you want to develop the logic on your own? Trust me, if you could write the program on your own, selection sort, insertion sort, your mind will work in this way. And this is a very good habit. You have two options. First option is simply open this website. Okay, open this website, like see selection sort. What is the option? Option is very simple. काय करायचं? C++ code. चला कॉपी करा. Copy केला code. Okay. Open editor. Here. Paste. Okay. Code is pasted. Run the code. Code is executed. Get the output. Then understand the code. This is one way to learn. Second way is think on your own. Write the nested for loop. Develop the logic. It will take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Let it be. But that is a good investment. But once your mind is trained to develop the logic on your own, trust me, you can write any program in the world. And you can learn any technology within 1 to 2 weeks maximum time, because you know how to develop the logic. ठीक है मग? I want you people to develop the logic. ठीक आहे, थांबायचं आपण इथं. Any doubts to anyone? Let me know. Doubts असेल सांगा तर आपण थांबूया इथं. In next lecture, I will record one lecture where I will teach you the program for linked list creation, static. Already I have covered static. You can see my video list from static. And dynamic linked list, I will tell you how to create dynamic linked list by passing structure to function. I will teach you how to create a tree code, how to do the insertion, deletion, operation in the linked list, as well as tree traversal. ठीक आहे मग इथं थांबायचं इथं. Any doubts to anyone? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Still, anybody have any doubts? You can contact me on my personal WhatsApp number. I will clear your doubts. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.